20 insects in English. Ant. Ant. A small insect that lives in groups. Example, the ant carries food. Bee. Bee. An insect that makes honey. Example, the bee collects nectar. Butterfly. Butterfly. An insect with colorful wings. Example, the butterfly flies over flowers. Mosquito. Mosquito. A small insect that bites people. Example, the mosquito bites at night. Fly. Fly. A small insect that can fly fast. Example, the fly sits on the wall. Cockroach. Cockroach. A fast-running insect found in houses. Example, the cockroach runs under the table. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. An insect that jumps and eats plants. Example, the grasshopper jumps in the field. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. An insect with long wings that flies near water. Example, the dragonfly flies over the pond. Ladybug. Ladybug. A small red insect with black spots. Example, the ladybug sits on a leaf. Beetle. Beetle. An insect with a hard shell. Example, the beetle crawls on the ground. Moth. Moth. An insect similar to a butterfly but active at night. Example, the moth flies near the light. Wasp. Wasp. An insect that can sting. Example, the wasp builds a nest. Termite. Termite. A small insect that eats wood. Example, the termite damages the house. Cricket. Cricket. An insect known for its chirping sound. Example, the cricket chirps at night. Firefly. Firefly. An insect that glows in the dark. Example, the firefly lights up at night. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. The young form of a butterfly. Example, the caterpillar eats leaves. Aphid. Aphid. A tiny insect that sucks plant juice. Example, the aphid harms the plant. Hornet. Hornet. A large stinging insect. Example, the hornet flies near the tree. Weevil. Weevil. A small insect that damages grains. Example, the weevil eats stored rice. Cicada. Cicada. An insect known for its loud sound. Example, the cicada makes noise in summer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.